Mae ras i gyrraedd y 4 uchaf yn y brif adran yn poethi. Pontypridd oedd yn hawlio'r safle hwnnw ar ddechrau'r penwythnos, ond Siomi Ponty wedi chwarter awr wrth i'r Americanes Olivia Thompson roi'r myfyrwyr ar y blaen. Dyblwyd y fantais o'r smotyn yn hwyr yn yr ail hanner wedi i Pervin Davies lorio Emily Allen yn y cwrt. Lauren Townsend yn gywir o 12 llath. Roedd hi'n dair munud yn ddiweddarach. Emily Allen yn rhwydo o ochr dde'r cwrt Cosby. A mwy neu lai o union yr un man, Jessie Taylor yn sgorio ei gôl gyntaf erioed i'r Met ac yn selio'r triphwynt i'r myfyrwyr.
We came out with the intensity that we expect from our girls, and the first half an hour was outstanding. Shut down a little bit after half time, and I think we were sort of sitting there at 1-0 thinking, are we going to get the ball in the back of the net again? But I think credit to these lot, they put a shift in, and I think they come alive for the last sort of 10-15 minutes of that game again. So yeah, really happy.
I'm really pleased with my squad today. They've done what I've asked of them, which is very difficult under the circumstances of playing against a team that is as organised as Cardiff Met, and have got the depth and the quality that they do. They've gone out and they've done what I've asked of them. That last 10 minutes, you know, I've even said to the squad, was on me. That was a tactical decision to do what we did in the last 10, and we conceded 2 goals in it. So I can't fault the team. We know that little things and small errors can cost us in this league, and they have today.
It's my first goal for Met, so yeah, I'm very happy. Hopefully I'll get on the score sheet more often. I don't think I'll be catching Emily Allen anytime soon, but yeah, hopefully I can get a few more.